What's up guys, my name is Jonathan. I'm here today with GuideToVaping.com to talk about the GOODBUILD Rebuildable Atomizer Toolkit. So everybody needs tools to rebuild their atomizers with. With that said, Vipster Vape contacted me to review their new product called the GOODBUILD Kit. So to keep things simple, they all put all your tools in this nice little case. So now let's take a look inside. So this GOODBUILD Kit comes in a zipper case just like this right here. Just unzip it. Open it up. As you can see, here's your tools right here on the display. Flip it over, and you got another set of tools. Right here, as you can see, you got some scissors. It's pretty neat looking scissors. And then next right beside it is your screwdriver. Made in a pin shape. Unscrew this right here. Now it comes all your little screwdriver heads. Next, you got your readers. And right here we have a little zipper pouch. Inside it contains a coil jig. Next you have your coil jig rods. And here you have your 510 ego adapter. Alright, I'm going to turn this to this side. Next we have our ceramic tweezers. Also comes with your curved needle nose pliers. And last, your flush wire cutters. Now that you've seen the GOODBUILD kit, if you want to purchase this kit, you can go to VipsterVapes.com. Alright guys, my name is Jonathan once again, and thank you for watching. Vape on.